Hello guys, today we in Roblox Studio and we're gonna make punch animation. Let's make a rig first and let's go to the rig and go on clip animator. Then let's select some of the parts that we need for punch. So we need the hand, torso, and all that stuff. So now we're gonna go on clip animator and select all the keyframes needed. Then we are gonna go to the rig and select it to 4 seconds. So then we're gonna select the hand and make it go up. Then let's make it go back. This is only a tutorial. This is only the tutorial, remember. Okay? So then we are gonna turn the torso to the side and make it seem like the rig is charging up its attack, if you understand me. So then we're gonna turn the rig and then select 8 seconds exactly. Then we're gonna make it seem like the rig attacked. So let's make it go in front instead of the back. Then let's go and make the charger attack go down. Like you can see the hand that I moved down. Then the animation is pretty much done. So there's more things that I can teach you guys. So then I'll do a dash attack, which I can do. So yeah, let me select the dummy and literally name it punch animation. So once that is done, we can do the dash attack, and then it's done. Let's make a new character which is named dash animation, but not literally dash animation. Wait, let me move the laptop. Yeah. Okay, let's move the rig to beside punch animation. And pretty much done. But this video is 17 minutes long, so there's more. And let's name it dash animation. Oh my god, my voice is so glitchy, but whatever. Let's name it dash animation. And let's make it so that let's review the punch animation first. Then let's review the dash animation. Wait, I have to. Yeah, okay. I'm back. So we have to make it like a dash animation, which is moving forward. Okay? Then let's move dummy's torso. No, our rig's torso that we're animating. No, actually, oh gosh, sorry. But let's move ahead. And yeah, we selected all the body parts needed. Next, we need to make our arms, like moving forward to attack. So we can do that by selecting the torso, moving it like downwards, and then like moving it diagonally. Now we'll have to go to okay, but we'll have to make the arms like attacking formation. The arms, I'm thinking about like the arms separating from body. So that's the charge up. I'm gonna test it. Okay. And now let's make it attack and then end. Okay. So let's go and make it so that it's attacking. Let me just do it. Yeah. And then let's make it like attacking. And guys, if there's any problem in your build that you don't want, then locate where the problem exactly is, and then you can fix it in your animation from Roblox, okay? But let's make the arms separate from the body and attack. And when the animation ends. So now, there was a problem, but as you can see, I'm fixing. So that's what you can do to your animations in Roblox. Look, there's the problem, and I can make it like solved, okay? So all you have to do for punch is move the arm forward, okay? And then you can do it. Yeah, like that. You can do that, okay? So we made the arm dislocate. What am I? Okay, so that's the animation. But there's one more I need to add. That's called block animation, which is exactly what we need. So let's select the and let's add the rig named rig, and then let's name it block animation. So yeah, block animation. And then yeah, okay, we can name it block animation, and it will block somebody's attack from punch animation for my Battlegrounds game. It can do that. Okay, so let's add the punch animation, and yeah, that's probably it. And now let's select the keyframes we need for the punch animation. and let's make it so that we need two keyframes. One is left and right arm. So let's move a left arm. No, I think, yeah, that's the right arm to, I don't really know directions, so yeah, we'll go with the right arm. But oh my god, I made a mistake. For this situation, we just need to delete the rig. So let's delete the rig. I'll try to solve it first. Oh god, it's not getting solved. Oh gosh, I think I just need to delete the rig. Bye rig. So now let's add the rig in again. Okay, so these are 3 rigs we need for our Battlegrounds game. These are main rigs, and the buttons too are main. Okay, we can't make that mistake again. So let's add in the animations. Okay, let's go to this arm and go and make it so he's looking like John Cena. Okay. What the heck did I do? But now let's make it so that he looks like he's using a hollow purple, and yeah. Oh no, oh no, bruh. Oh no. So yeah, he's that's blocking animation. But check out my other video if you wanna learn effects. If you wanna learn moves, I'm gonna make a new video. It will be called, it's for future tense, okay? It will be called Making Animations for a Battleground Game, Part 2, okay? This is Part 1 right now. So let's name this rig Block Animation. So now I will edit this tutorial world. Don't forget it's tutorial. But in the future I will be logging into Roblox Studio to teach you animation and effects. So stay tuned. I learned this from some animators and some effect makers. So today is one video called Making Animations Part 1. No. Animation Tutorial Part 1. Okay. But here's what you gotta do. If you really want to, get like okay. Yeah, but if you wanna, here's what you got to do if you want to make effects. Okay, first you gotta select a block. Oh wait, so now we are making a particle emitter, which we can do. But yeah, I don't want to change the color scheme. I like this color, but yeah, let's go and play the clip. So let's go and play the clip. And oh shoot, I accidentally placed it in the wrong section. Let me just delete the attachment and the particle emitter. Yeah, you have to add a attachment and the particle emitter. Okay, let me just delete. Okay, delete. I deleted it. Okay. So now let's go to the right arm and go and select the attachment. Let us add an attachment to the right arm, and then let's add a particle emitter, and then we can go and play our animation, which it looks so cool that it's just flying in the opposite direction. Oh my gosh. But anyways, let's go and let's play the game, and this let's check out our animations thing. And it's cool. And anyways, thank you for supporting us. Really. But let's look. And yeah. Guys, if you want to support this channel, go to our channel and subscribe and like. If you don't want to, you don't want to, you can do it. But anyways, bye. Okay.